up, y'all? We back with another one. Bobcat is here, finally picking up the machine. Got the dunk in the way, ain't starting. Trying to switch this machine in this place, but let me guide this guy around.
Grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52.
As you can see right here, I'm moving Logan out the way because she was. Yep, we playing garbage can. I was moving her. Girl, you hold the camera upside down.
I was looking on that side with that car.
Good so far?
Stop on here?
Not unless it slides.
No.
Come on. Plenty. No, it's not ours. You're trying to go up this ramp. What are you trying to go up there for?
I don't know.
It's not ours. That's his. So the tie down for the front, man, it's under the bottom somewhere. So I told him, like, you can't pull from the front because it don't turn. So the best option be pulling it from the back, turning it that way, and then backing it onto it. So that'd be the best way. Yep, it's turning.
Now you think gonna be in that way?
It rolled it right over. I didn't even think to do that. I just stopped. Yeah, I didn't think to do it at the time when I was trying to put it on the trailer, but I thought of it right then and there, and it actually worked. I don't know about pulling from the attachment though, but whatever we need to do to get it there.
Yay, we did it! It's turning! Cowboy, we did it! Woo!
Tearing up the whole backyard already.
Cowboy, we did it! Cowboy, we did it! Girl.
Yeah, that's what we gonna do anyway when we get all this progress around here.
Cowboys, we did it!
I'm recording on the front camera. I never record on the front camera. But Bobcat just called me, man. They said, could you come in and confirm exactly what you want us to do? I already gave him what I wanted to do, man. So you know when they tell you that, it's gonna be more than what you expected. But I don't mind. I just ain't trying to pay double what I expected, you know. They tell me I'm gonna have to replace this, I'm gonna have to replace that, but in my head I'm like, it's worth it though for what it is, because if I tried to rent, I'm not paying no crew, and if I tried to rent, it'll take me more than $500 a day. Well, I'll say $400 a day for the machines, and you only get shoot, I just got a message on Instagram. You only get certain number of hours a day per machine, some 8, some 10, you know, so that plays a big part of it, man. So yeah. I don't know, man. So if this price is like too crazy, I'm just gonna sell the machine. And then shoot. I don't know. Because like I said, I'm trying to do the extended driveway. And then the stuff for the shop, which I need both. Like I need the driveway ASAP. I really can't even go get my cars. I ain't got nowhere to put it. Next set of cars I'm getting is gonna be in front of the house. So I gotta work on getting stuff out and then expand it. Well, both at the same time. So let's see what they say, man. I have no clue on what he's saying, but I know they said we gotta fix the fuel issue first. That's a fuel leak. You know, like the machine is old. It's not hard to do. And please don't come over the top with the numbers. That's all I ask.
That you pull. I mean, this thing was ancient. We called it Dino.
Like a dinosaur. You cool with me recording? I'm a YouTuber, so I'm just trying to. Oh, okay. So yeah, ain't looking too bad. Not like I thought. So told her just running, lifting, and driving. Gonna try to shoot for that. And then anything that's dry rotted, any quick disconnects that look like they need replacing, just send me a recommendation with price. But I think said the seals dry rotted over here. Nah, they ain't. They ain't bad. Any hard lines that need replacing, and the cylinders that need replacing. I got the other control valve. But yeah, that one drip crazy. That's that big crack right there. So when you turn it on, this one drip crazy. Found the fuel leak. It's that hose right there. So just gonna replace that hose. Put a clamp on it maybe or something. But yeah, it's fresh fuel. I just ready to use the machine, man. I really am. But I gotta go ship some packages. This almost 3 weeks from now. 10/13, it's my birthday. Service required. Got a little bit of confidence back, man. So they seen it and didn't believe it run or nothing. So I just showed them like, this is how I got it right, and then this is what I did, and then this is what's going on. So now it's kind of like, okay, just wanted to lift, run, drive, and lift. I was like, yeah, basically. So whatever ain't leaking, don't touch it. Recommend, and I'll buy it. So some quick fitness and stuff, I could replace that. But as far as all that I need right now, I really can't. So yeah, that's gonna be that for now. Shoot. So we just wait 3 weeks, man. So as soon as I get it, they make their recommendations. I'm gonna order whatever they say I need. Replace it, get me some hydraulic oil, and then shoot, we'll be pushing some dirt. But I also gotta rent or see if they have a bush hogger that can fit brush hog that fit that machine that I can rent. Or I really don't want to rent that machine though, because if you rent that machine, you're getting paid for the machine and the attachment. So that won't really work. And then I'm gonna call around so I can get some quotes for it. Because once I chop the rest of those trees up, I could just get some I could just use the grapplers and then move it around. That way they can have access to everything that I need, took down. But without the grapplers is like a must. And then I want to get some forks, because all the pallets and stuff that I be getting, motors, trans, like if I get some forks, save a whole bunch of time on my back and legs. The forks definitely play a big part in it. So I'm trying to get some forks, grapplers, and then like I said, I am gonna try to attempt to use the machine, take a little quick job, little 500 a day jobs. It would be good if I had some air though, But as long as it don't break, cut y'all back on once I hear something new about the machine. Really, well, if I got 10 minutes of footage, I just post it now. But I already know some people gonna say, I be reading the comments on the shop blog, man. Some people saying, you know, pay a company for the trees. We are using the wood. So we're building a fire pit in the back. We have a fireplace. And we bought wood last year, over $100 worth of wood. It lasted like 3 days, 4 days. So we're keeping all the wood. Second, we call companies. The trees got too many limbs. So, yeah, the trees look big on camera, but they're actually real skinny once you get like 40 feet past what's at the ground level. It's real skinny at the top. So that's another thing. Paying a crew. That's not my budget to pay a crew. Like, it's cheaper for me to get a machine, pay for it, use it, and sell the machine. It's just cheaper for me to do that right now. Because if you paying a team of 4 people, that's worse than paying one person. Like, that's not in my budget. I still gotta get concrete. I put deposits down on the building, still gotta pay for the building. Like, it ain't cheap. It ain't cheap at all. I'm gonna just say that. It ain't cheap at all. But I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Hopefully everything go well with the machine. And shoot, we pushing some dirt. But I'm gonna shift this pack. I got a couple more things I gotta pick up, man. I'm just running around like crazy. I'm real tired. It's my birthday. My wife gonna make me do something, man. I don't know what. But let me go ahead and shift this package, man. And for all y'all who watch, man, I do want to say thank y'all for the support. I really do appreciate it. Whole bunch going on. I'm maintaining though. Maintaining. But yeah, I'm out.